this thing up for $400. It's got a blow transmission. They've ripped the gears out of it. I'll show you some pictures of them in a minute, but we're going to try to attempt to fix it some way, and I'll take y'all along with me. Gears for this thing, I got pictures of them I can show you. They want 1,000 or 3,500 depending on where you go to make them. I ain't doing that. I want to add a chain to run this, to run that gear and this reverse chain. So I got to get that welded onto that straight, and then I'll cut the center out of my other sprocket and put on this. Cut the center out of. See how they stripped. These machine shops want to charge you more than the outfit's worth just to make them gears. So I'll just use some chains. If we can get by with it, just use around the house or whatever for $400. I got about $50 in sprocket and chain, so $450 outfit. We'll see how it works. I got it turned down. It will fit in. It will fit in that sprocket. Now I'm gonna clean all this up, marry these two together. Start working on this one. I need to get this one on, that way I know where to line this chain up at, or the sprocket. So, make a bunch of shims. Had to make a shim here. Since this chain here is going to be so much wider, this chain and this chain was going to rub, so I machined that off, scooted this chain down, done the same thing. You can see the difference. This used to be smooth as that, so I went down and machined off a piece down there. So now I'm going to make spacers to take up that gap, put my spacers back on. I've done the same thing on this one. You can see the lip there. So I turned that out to make up that. So now it's giving me enough room between them two chains to clear. I gotta machine this down where this chain won't hit it. That part there. So I need to machine this down, and I'll turn y'all back on. Yes. Now I'm gonna seal her up, put her back on, bolt it up, and see what happens.